So today we're going strawberry picking.
So this is my hat from Under Armour. This was my mom's, but then I stole it. And then I have this thing from Ross, and I have this from Ross, and I have this from Ross, and I have these socks. I guess this is my mom's. And yeah. And here is from Dollarama. No. This big is from Ross, but everything over here is Dollarama.
So today's video, kami ay pupunta sa strawberry picking dito sa may Boonstra. It's around 30 minutes drive. And nagmamadali kami kasi maganda yung panahon. Hindi siya mainit, makulimlim. And kami naman kapag sobrang init, madaling umitim, madaling dikitan ng kulay ng araw. Kaya yan. So yun yung activity namin ngayong araw na to. Kaya let's go. Samahan nyo kami. Okay, so we are here at Tim Hortons. So first stop namin. So ito, magdito na kami magbe-breakfast.
And then guys, so there was Timbit and my mommy said that we're going to get it instead of the powdery donuts.
Is that the one that I mentioned last time?
One.
Oh, meron siyang Boston Cream mini
And then I
donut.
also got that one. That big. This is what it looks like.
Top. What a strawberry one.
There's like a filling. I'm so shocked. Look.
Oh, there's a filling there. Yan ang pinakamadali. Kukunin dyan.
Ayan na yata yung sinasabi mo.
Mommy.
Meron yung isang walang yung plain lang.
Hindi ko
May
alam.
sprinkles wala.
Wala akong nakita. Thank you, bebe ko.
O, yun lang yung meron.
Yan lang. Tapos the rest, mga ano na.
Dito na kami sa Boonstra, sa Stonewall. Today is a good day kasi it's cloudy and hindi masyadong maaraw. Ayan.
That means sunny.
Yeah.
Kasi where are we going?
Strawberry picking. And guys, yeah.
Are we going strawberry picking? I'm gonna pick up the thing that he did.
Ay, marami na rin tao.
Ay, marami na rin tao. Pero hindi naman ganun ka... Ayan na, meron na. Marami na rin. It's okay.
Madami din tao.
How?
I know, I can see you.
We're so early.
We were early,
I
but
know we
they
are
started,
early.
I think they started
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock So I think, kayo ba dyan, paalis na rin.
That's okay.
That's fine.
Oh, Boonstra Farm. Ayan na, maganda weather. Pumunta na tayo para din.
My mom, she's crazy.
Para hindi na ako,
Literally screaming.
Boonstra.
Oh, Boonstra Farm. Yeah. Hold daddy. Come on. Tanga, alis. You hold daddy.
Ayan yung pila dun sa may Boonstra, oh. Monday na Monday, pero ang haba ng pila.
Come on, I'll get some.
Dito sa likod. 3? Oh, 2.
Two? Okay.
Wait for me.
Posturang puro si ate, oh. Kamedyas na lang, ah.
Ang lamig pala. I didn't expect it's windy.
Nataling ka nila doon. Ayan.
Alin na, ano.
Ayan, let's go.
Let's go, akin na. Lika na. Arya, here! Kami, doon. Oh. Arya. Ano ko?
Ha?
Ako yung naalikapan.
Natasakot ako. Iaalog palog eh.
Baby, be careful there ito, ha?
Oh, dito. Kamulog. Tapos. It's so far.
Work your way that way unless we tell you otherwise, because some of the rows actually don't have flag. So we're looking under the leaves because there'll be lots of red berries under there. It is a dry season, so our berries aren't as big, but there's still lots of them, and they're still red, and they're still juicy and delicious. If you do have a row with a flag, just make sure you take it with you, so when you're done, you can put it in the ground, and we'll know where to start the next group. So if a group would like to go down this road here, the flag is about 3/4 of the way down. If you guys would like to go in this road here?
Yeah.
3/4 of the way down. Start there, work your way that way.
Okay.
No, Daddy?
Yeah, dun. Yeah.
Big one.
Yeah, I did some big ones right here.
Oh, can you find me one?
Ayan o, mapupuno na namin yung aming bag or yung box. Yung strawberry nila nito maliliit pero ang tamis. Ito. Ilektan mo na, oh. Ang tamis. Promise. Sarap.
Okay, to try the strawberries.
It's so sweet.
I think I ate the leaf.
Why would you eat the leaf?
Throw out the leaf.
Ito, small but terrible.
Is it yummy? Is it masawa? Daddy, is it
Oh, here. Try it.
Is it masawa?
Try it. Ako na. Yeah. Put it in your mouth. Here, try it.
Mommy, it tastes like banana.
It tastes like banana.
Daddy, it's so juicy.
Put it in your mouth. Yum.
Hawakan mo na yan.
Ang sarap.
Hindi nyo punuin mo.
Yeah, good job, Arya. Go help mommy. Yan, so malapit na kami matapos. Isang box na lang yung pinupuno namin. And ito, napuno na nila Aisha. Ayan. So bali susunod sasakay na kami ulit doon sa may traktora. And then uwi na kami. Gagawin namin tong strawberry shake. Done. Ito yung isang bag of strawberry. Tapos yung isa na kay Aisha. Patingin nga yan. Picture mo ba? Hindi na.
Picture mo.
Picture mo na. Ari, hawakan mo. Hawakan mo.
Guys, can I show them?
Arya. Yan. Strawberries.
Can I show them? It's so sweet.
Look at mine.
Come on, let's go. Come on ate, let's go.
Finger down. Check. Ano pa ba?
Strawberry, check.
Strawberry.
Now swimming. We're going to go swimming. Right, Mommy?
Nagsuswimming ka pa?
Canada, not check.
Ami, we're done. Here.
Cheese.
Cheese.
So, cheese na naman.
Cheese na naman siya, cheese.
Say cheese.
I want cheese too, ate.
Can I take some?